What?
Oh, hi guys!
Hi guys!
Isn't this cool? I got this from my brother at Lucasfilm. Yeah. Okay, so today we have another song for you.
Yep.
It's yes. Do you catch that? No. It's Payphone by Maroon 5.
Cover of Jessie.
Yeah. So, hope you guys like it.
Yep.
Let's go. Okay. You start first.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm at a payphone trying to count who more of my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And now time that you wasted all of our precious but now I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights, now I'm paralyzed. You're stuck in that time when we caught in love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call. Oh, I just realized our cookies!
Wait, fast. Our cookies.
Take two. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
1, 2, 3.
I'm at a payphone. I'm sorry, guys.
Take 3. 3.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys. It's not our fault. Okay, 1, 2.
I'm at a payphone.